Hello, you lengthy fish nuggets. Now, what if we grab a mouse, but made it more British? We might end up with a tank like TOG II, like this one here, sent kindly by Reobrix. More about them later. Alright, let's open it up and start building. Obviously, we need to check out the instructions. And there's a bonus code for an early weaver for World of Tanks. Some stickies. And we are ready. Well, I just want to point out one thing. The big bags are numbered, which is pretty common, but the smaller bags inside are also numbered, which will make the building very nice. That's cool. Hey there, a little side comment here. This tube or cable part would work better if the end parts wouldn't be soft. And our dog boy is now finished. Pretty good looking, ain't it? Now that you've seen this beautiful dog being built, you might think, can I get one for myself? And the answer is, you absolutely can. They are made by Reobrix as part of their new World of Tanks lineup. In case you don't want TOG, there's also German Tiger and American Sherman tank available. Just follow the link in the description and new tank can be yours. The bricks are not printed, so if you wanna add those details, you have to do it yourself, which makes the tanks look pretty nice, but even without them, it's a very nice looking tank model. Now, I originally thought these were stickers, and seeing that some of them were bigger than the actual pieces you were supposed to put them on, I thought, oh dear, do I have to trim them down with the scissors? Luckily, that's not the case. What they are actually transfer images. So you slap them on the brick and then you peel off the top plastic layer. And the actual detailing will remain onto the brick. Pretty neat. While this is something what I would consider a display model, it does have functionalities like a rotating turret, and the main gun and the coaxial machine gun can be elevated and depressed. There are some slight flaws into the model though, so it's not all perfect. One minor one is that the top hatch on the turret likes to come off quite easily. Another section that has troubles holding on are the rear fenders above the tracks. Otherwise the tank holds itself quite well together, and more of the functionality. The hull hatches onto the side can be opened. There is a seat for a Lego style minifig onto the driver's position, but it's rather difficult to reach, but it exists. Even if you take the turret off, the hull interior doesn't really become any more accessible. Behind the turret there's the engine compartment with two hatches which can be removed to display the engine and transmission and whatnot. The tracks work well until you put on the side skirts. Then they might get a little bit stuck, but after fiddling around, they can be set to work again. And once the tracks work, they work very well, even if some of the road wheels refuse to rotate. On the box it says it's 1/30th scale, so if you have some, let's say, Kobe's 1/28th scale tanks, it'll look pretty decent next to them. Alright, that's my speed build and review for this TOG by Reobrix. Maybe not the mouthiest video on the channel, but I hope you still like it and found it interesting. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you around. Bye!